Myntri Rangbah Khubor konrad ke sangma hakasnginingkong ula Pynbna baga sorkar kalamang khatsan Klur tingka na kebenta bantai ye ke Indigenous Cultural Center Mawkhar. Habakren hakilat pathai Khubor kat badangnya ke syak suk mensim Myntri Rangbah ula ong bakumba ula jupenpau baya ke kolshor jong kiriti dustur jongi don kam ban pennek pensa bat don kam ban kentiu. Kumta dei halor kani kanongrim balawan ra dakatai ke Indigenous Cultural Center. Shushu ula pentip bayu mau nongrim jangani ke center kin sabu hau banai banwan. Myntri Rangbah ula penpau ru e ke jingkemen ba ula la ban penurlong ya kani ke jingdawa ke bala slembha ke bala bu da ke sengkhasi. Ha kani ke sengi Myntri Rangbah rengkat ki Menteri Sorkar Khubor ki lelej ban sakhilang ya ke syat suk mensim.
Yes, as we have always stated that the cultural aspect of our traditions needs to be preserved and needs to be promoted, and it is in line with that thought process that we are having the Indigenous Cultural Center. Approximately about 15 crores has been sanctioned for it, and by next month we should be laying the foundation. We thought we'll lay it this month itself, but as we all know that April is not a very auspicious month, and so we'll be doing it in the month of May. But we're very happy. It's been a long pending demand from our community of the Singhasi to have this cultural center, and I'm happy that finally we're able to do this. And it's not just here. For many other communities, we are supporting and putting up different cultural centers, from larger ones to even a small centers. Like recently I was in Karbi area, and there also I have announced 50 lakhs for their cultural center. I have given the Raba community also, the Koch, Hajong community. So different communities that are there which are working towards preserving their culture. The government is more than happy to support and work with them in their endeavor to preserve the culture of the people of our state.
Present building will be renovated.
No, this is a new project altogether. There might be some parts of renovation also, but this is a new project altogether. We want it to be very interactive. We want it to be very technology based. So I hope that it will become a good project. But at the same time, I have my personal opinion is that even this field, the waiting field, has to be also renovated. I feel that this has got its own significance, and a lot of tourists are coming here. So therefore, the sitting areas can be easily expanded, and more space will be created for the people who are participating in the dance. And so this is again something that I'm very keen to work on, and I will be speaking to the members of the organizing committee to help us and work together so that we can improve the overall infrastructure here in this waiting field also.